Now let's take a look at the Presentation Review Memos Instructions and Analytics Scale. You can find the assignment sheet in a few different places. You can look on Brightspace in the Assignment Instructions folder. You can access the Assignment Instructions folder by going into Course Materials on Brightspace, clicking on Content, and then navigating to the Assignment Instructions section and Content on the left-hand side of the page. You can also look on Brightspace in the Presentation Review Memos topic description and discussions. Although you can find the discussion topic link in our Course Topics by Week section in Content, you can also click on Communication, select Discussions, look in the Peer Review Tasks forum, and select the Presentation Review Memos topic. You'll see the assignment sheet is embedded in the description. You can also look on Microsoft Teams in the Assignments folder, which is under the Files tab in our General channel. You'll see on the right that I've taken a screenshot of the instructions. You are required to provide feedback for at least 3 groups presentations. However, you can choose the 3 group presentations you want to review. Before listening to the presentations, review the components of the Qualitative Data Analysis Report rubric regarding the oral presentations. Use this as a basis for your overall evaluation for each presentation. As you listen to the presentations, use the template on the next slide, and if you look on the assignment sheet, you'll see that it is directly below the instructions, as a notes sheet for composing your comments. While you're welcome to have incomplete notes, your memos should be written in complete sentences and full paragraphs, roughly 5 to 7 sentences each. You are also expected to be constructive and comprehensive in your evaluation to earn full credit for this assignment. Now that you have received evaluative feedback for your peer review memos, you should be aware of the expectations regarding constructive, comprehensive feedback. Each of your presentation review memos will be assessed on the following analytic scale. Content will be worth 5 points. Style and language will be worth 2 points. Grammar will also be worth 2 points. And formatting will be worth 1 point. As you can see toward the top, each of the presentation review memos will be worth 10 points for a combined total of 30 points because, again, you're reviewing 3 groups' presentations. After you've evaluated 3 presentations, you should go to the discussions forum for the presentation review memos on Brightspace and post your memos to each of the 3 groups you've chosen. Please make use of the template on the second page of the assignment sheet and later in this presentation to ensure your posted documents are formatted properly. All 3 memos must be posted by 11 p.m. on May 3rd. You can see the session overview video for description of how you'll go about reviewing your peers' presentations and where you can locate all of the different materials for the assignment. You will notice that the assignment sheet provides space for you to take notes on 3 groups' presentations. The operative term here is notes. You need to develop complete memos based on these notes. The notes are for your personal use only. You do not need to include them in your memos. The notes should include the names of the people presenting, the title of their presentation, your constructive feedback on their presentation, and any additional questions or comments about their work. Remember that you should evaluate their findings, visuals, slide design, presentation delivery, and collaborative effort. As I mentioned earlier, your notes can be written in incomplete sentences. However, you will develop these notes into full memos. With that, I'll transition to talk about the assignment template. You'll see that the Presentation Review Memos assignment template is structured in the same way as the peer review reports assignment template. You're welcome to organize your content in any way you see fit, but I recommend using headings above each paragraph. These headings should preview the content in each paragraph, such as document and slide design, presentation delivery, teamwork, and so on. You should type the headings in bold text. You can see examples of this strategy in the student example collection on Brightspace. Please note, however, that the example does not use bold text. You should also write as if you are speaking directly to the presenters. As you read through the student example collection, you will notice that the student wrote as though she were speaking to me, as opposed to writing directly to the presenters in each case. As I mentioned earlier, you should use your notes as an outline for drafting your presentation review memos. Throughout this week, you should endeavor to watch your peers' presentations, review their slides, and generate your initial comment after you review the materials specified in the Week 15 checklist. These materials include this presentation, the assignment sheet and student examples connected to it, the scoring rubric criteria for the project, and the verbal explanations of those criteria.